Welcome to How to Use and Customize the Canvas course template. In this portion, we will discuss how to set your homepage. Your homepage is the landing page for your students every time they enter your course. Within the template, you are provided several homepage options, including button-based links to modules or weeks, no module links, text-based links to weeks or modules. You should select the homepage that meets your needs the best. To find your homepage options, click Choose Homepage from the right side of your screen. Ensure that Pages front page is selected and select Change. From here, you're provided with a list of all the pages available in your course. Officially, you could use any page as your homepage. However, let's look at some of the options that have been provided for you, such as homepage with button-based links to modules. If you use the module nomenclature to communicate to students how to move through your course, this might be the homepage for you. If you refer to it as weeks, the homepage with button-based links to weeks might be your best bet. There is an option for a homepage with no module links. You are just provided with the 4 links to Start Here, Syllabus, Content, and Support. If the buttons are not something you're interested in, we do have a text-based link to modules, as well as text-based links to weeks. Once you've chosen which page you like, you'll need to ensure that the page is published, because if you'll notice, uses front page is disabled for a page that's not published. If I've decided to use button-based links to modules, I need to first ensure it's published, select the 3-dot kebab, and select Use as Front Page. Now when I go to the home page, I see that rather than saying weeks, my buttons are labeled for modules. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.